Boy, do I have me a Jim Nanny on the bench this morning. I got me a jam up good lawnmower, buddy. The Bilt TB 30R. The problem is whenever the customer steers the steering wheel, the front tires don't work, and I don't have parts for this. I'm gonna have to order parts for it, and they're telling me 2 to 3 weeks to get parts. But I just wanted to show you the reason that this fails. I've taken the liberty of removing the Carter pins out of the steering rods. It should come off like that. And one on the other side. And then there's 2 bolts here, and one right here that holds the pinion in place. But what happens is, 9 times out of 10 is going to be this bushing. Focus, please. It's going to be this bushing right here that houses the steering shaft, and it's good and tight. Nothing wrong with that. The issue is the pinion's wore out. That goes like that. So we're going to replace the pinion and the steering rack. As we can tell, see how good we have good high peaks on these teeth here, but we are worn flat here. It's just worn out. So what you have to do, you have to replace this whole steering assembly. There's a kit, and I'll try to remember what that number is and post a link for this steering kit. And what also happens is it gets worn out in here. Too much back and forth play this way, because a lot of times this stamped metal, this plate will bend this way and cause this to not ride true in there. But it's just a matter of replacing the steering rack. Real super simple. 2 bolts, like I said, and we'll get her back going. As soon as I get parts in, I'll do another video. Well, I appreciate y'all, and y'all have a good rest of your day.